Hello friends, hope so all of doing well. And in this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can fix calling speaker or your speaker not working problem in Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro or Note 10 Pro Max. So first of all, just don't forget to subscribe if you're first time on this channel. Let's start a video without wasting your time. So to fix ear calling speaker problem in Redmi Note 10 Pro or Pro Max, simply first of all just tap on settings icon and do the same as I'm showing you in this video to fix this problem.